Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Hookaroons that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Fiskars 360070-1001. 28-inch Hookeroon. Make moving and grabbing logs easier with Fiskars Hookeroon. It quickly and safely grabs tree trunks and logs. Also, it has a sturdy steel head ideal for grasping and releasing wood. Its lightweight handle with anti-slip grips provides better control. Moreover, this Hookeroon has a sheath, which protects the user and the blade during transportation. Its handle has a hang hole for easy storage. Further, its head is toothed with a curved hook, which provides a superior grip. It features a convenient release trigger. This Hookeroon is made of high-quality aluminum material. Uniquely, it has a non-slip handle, which gives the user a perfect fine grip. Moving on at number 4, we have the Ochsenkopf SCH0500 Aluminium Hookeroon. The Ochsenkopf Hookeroon features an ergonomic working design. It is made of sturdy aluminum. Moreover, on its side, it has an extra cutting edge for faster cutting of wood fibers. This Hookeroon has a strong handle. The handle is unpolished and padded to give you a comfortable grip. You can easily move, picking up small tree trunks conveniently. Additionally, this Hookeroon is long enough. Therefore you won't struggle to bend to pick the logs. Its head handle is locked with a steel lock for safety. What's more, it measures 50 cm by 5 cm by 3 cm. This Hookeroon weighs 14.1 pounds. Last but not least, it has a lifetime guaranteed warranty. At number 3, we have the Woodchuck Hard Stainless Steel Hookeroon. Have you been looking for the best Hookeroon for lifting and holding timber and logs? Worry no more, because Woodchuck brings you stainless steel Hookeroon. It weighs 2 pounds, therefore lighter for you. This Hookeroon's head is strong and extra hard. Additionally, the finger nub triggers increase the grip and help you point the pick end at all times. Its handle is made of aluminum. Alongside that, this handle has a length of 32 inches and 1 3/4 pounds. Most compelling evidence is that a large number of sawmillers have confirmed that this Hookeroon is the most effective to work with. In conclusion, Woodchuck offers you a lifetime guarantee. At number 2, we have the Feld 28 inches Hookeroon. Take dragging, lifting, and carrying logs experience to an advanced level with Feld Hookeroon. This Hookeroon is made of premium aluminum material for longevity and strength. Also, it has toothed edges, which give enough grip when dragging the log. This Hookeroon is 28 inches long. Therefore, you can drag logs without bending over. Additionally, it is a lightweight design. This makes logging easier. Uniquely, this Hookeroon has an ergonomic non-slip handle, which gives the user more control of the tool. It has various uses, including splitting logs, loading, and offloading various size logs with less effort. Moreover, it weighs 1.5 pounds. And finally at number 1, we have the Oregon 536319 Hookeroon. Do you have challenges when lifting and handling timber, logs, and firewood? Oregon gives you a solution by bringing you the best Hookeroon. This Hookeroon has a hook that is made of durable and robust steel. The head is notched and has a sharp tip that gives a sharp grip in frozen wood. Alongside that, Oregon Hookeroon has a handle that is made of long-lasting aluminum material. It is important to note that this handle has non-slip ends, therefore easily held in hands. Lastly, the handle is 1 foot long, while its overall weight is approximately 1.08 pounds. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.